children and adults, I hope you're well. In this video, we're going to introduce the grow block that makes the character bigger and also revisit the repeat block.
The story behind this project will be Kitten making a flower grow in their classroom. So let's first of all change the background, go to our classroom background. Next, we need to add another character, which will be the flower. Try and fall. That's a nice one there. Press tick. Now you can see that the flower has appeared in the middle of the screen. Let's hold onto this flower and move them across. Let's maybe put them on this blue desk here. And again, we've got two different characters here. So depending on which one we're going to code, we need to click on that one. So we will be coding just the flower this time. So let's go to our yellow category because we want the green flag block to start with to start our program. Next, we want to go to the purple category and find the grow block, which is this one here. And you can see that the character's getting bigger. We're then going to go to the red category for our stop so that the program stops. We're going to go back to our orange category, grab our repeat block again and put that, hover it over the grow block until it highlights it, and then we let go. So now we can see that the grow block is within a repeat block that's going to repeat 4 times. We want the flower to grow a bit bigger than that. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the number below the repeat block. The number pad will appear and let's press the number 7. There we go. Okay, great stuff. So let's test it. Wow, fantastic. That is really good. Now what I would say, the flower does fall off a little bit. So let's put it maybe there a little bit and reset. Oh, now it's a little bit further ahead. Let's maybe make it grow a little bit less. Let's repeat 6 times so that it stays on the desk. We want it to look realistic. Let's try again. Fantastic. Let's move that a touch forward. Brilliant. Okay, so let's look at that on full screen. And we're ready for the flower to grow. Press the green flag. Fantastic. Back to our edit screen if we want to, and we've made a flower grow. Well done.
Thank you for watching. I hope you found that video useful. If you're watching this video on YouTube, the next video will appear somewhere on the screen shortly, and all you need to do is click on that to access the next video. If you want to see all of the videos in one place, please go to mrvullo.com/ScratchJr. I'll add the link in the description below. If you do have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. All my contact details are on my website. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.